In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fully reset and wipe a PC or laptop so that you could sell it safely. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're selling your computer, the big goal is pretty simple. Just remove your files, remove your accounts, and make sure the next person can't recover your data. Before you do anything, go ahead and back up anything that you might want to keep, because obviously this is going to delete anything. You could use OneDrive, Google Drive, or just copy your files to a USB drive or an external hard drive. That's what I personally have already done. But the quickest and easiest option is, if your PC just still does boot normally, hit start down at the very bottom and go to settings, just like so. Look on this left hand sidebar and go ahead and find system and open it up, and just scroll down on here until you see recovery. Select the recovery option. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to see a reset this PC option right here. Go ahead and select that. You're then going to be taken to a screen that looks something like this. Go ahead and either hit keep my files or remove everything. Obviously, if you're trying to delete everything, select remove everything and pick how you want to reinstall Windows. You could do a local reinstall or you could do a cloud download. Cloud download essentially means it's going to download a fresh copy, and it usually does take longer. Local reinstall uses files already on the PC, and it's usually way faster. Now keep in mind, this will not fully clean the drive the most secure way. It's going to remove all your stuff, but if you're selling it to a stranger, you should do the method that lets you fully clean the drive, which in order to do this, you're going to have to shut the PC down first. So shut it down and you have to boot it into Windows recovery. There's two ways to do this. You can go ahead and hit shift and restart while you're actually in Windows. So just essentially hover over this power button, hold down the shift key and then hit restart. Or when you're turning the PC on, you can start tapping the recovery key for your device. Common ones are like F11, F10, F2, escape, delete, depends on the brand. But once you're near, select troubleshoot and then hit reset this PC. Choose remove everything. Choose either local or cloud download again. And then when you see the option that says clean the drive fully, go ahead and select it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.